Hi, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, who are all preparing for upcoming NEET examinations in 2026 and 27? So this is the right time. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss about study timetable for NEET examinations. So who are all studying for NEET examinations day and night? So here is the detailed timetable. So let's start the video. So guys, an effective NEET timetable balances intense study blocks with adequate rest to prevent burnout. Depending on whether you are managing school or coaching or dedicating the full day to self study as a dropper, your daily routine will differ. So guys, this is the option 1, daily schedule for full-time self-study or droppers. Okay, so minimum 10 to 11 hours, designed for maximum productivity using the 3 block system: concept, problem solving, revision. Okay, so let's see the timetable. So first column is time slot, so second activity, and third one focus area. So time slot 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. Wake up, light stretching and drinking water. Okay, so focus on hydration and mindset. So next time 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Study block 1, which one? Biology. Okay, NCERT reading and direct line memories. 8:30 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. breakfast and relax. So focus on break only. Okay, so next 9:15 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. study block 2, which one? Physics. Focus on concepts, derivations and numericals. So next 11:30 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. so this is the short break, quick refreshment, tea or snacks. Okay, so next 11:45 to 1:30 p.m. study block 3, physical or inorganic chemistry. Focus on NCERT reactions and formula applications. So next 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. lunch and power nap, 20 minutes. Okay, so cognitive reset. So next 2:30 p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. practice block, previous year question papers and multiple choice questions. Solve 80 to 100 target MCQ across all the subjects. Okay, so next 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. evening walk, snacks or leisure. So this is for mental relaxation. So next 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. study block for organic chemistry or heavy topics. Focus on mechanisms, reactions and weak areas. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. so this is the time for dinner. Focus on only break. So next 9 p.m. to 10:15 daily revision and mistake logging. So focus on flashcards, formulas and error notebook. 10:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. plan next day targets. So preparation. 10:30 p.m. sleep at 7.5 hours uninterrupted. So deep recovery. So this is for okay. So who are all preparing at home only. So next coming to option 2. So daily schedule for regular school going or coaching going students, 5 to 6 hours. When attending school or coaching daily 6 to 7 hours, your self-study timetable must focus on consolidation and active problem solving. So time slot, activity, focus area. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. wake up and quick morning revision. Focus on formula or flashcard review before school or coaching. 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. School or coaching classes. Focus completely on classroom lectures and notes. 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Return home, lunch and rest. Focus on unwind. 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Self-study block 1 physics or chemistry. Solve homework, review daily class notes and numericals. 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Snacks and outdoor break. De-stress. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Self-study block 2, which is biology, NCERT reading plus topic-wise multiple choice questions solving. So 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. dinner and family time. It's the break time. 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. practice and revision. Solve 40 to 50 previous year question papers and multiple choice questions. 11 p.m. so it's the time for sleep. So key rules for success. Subject distribution. Alternate between heavy subjects physics and memory based subjects biology to keep your focus sharp. The 100 MCQ rule. Try to solve at least 100 questions daily. Example 40 biology, 30 chemistry, 30 physics. Track mistakes. Keep an error notebook where you write down every question you got wrong during practice or mock test along with the correct NCERT concept. So weekend policy. Use Sundays strictly for full or part syllabus mock test 3 hours 20 minutes followed by 2 hours of test analysis. So guys, this is the end of today's video. So today we have learned about timetable, means study timetable schedules for who are studying at home and also who are going to coaching centers or schools. So guys, please share this video with your friends and families who are preparing for NEET examinations. So thank you.